Hello everyone, it's Francis with your Book of Memories. I am so super duper excited to share this project with you. I came back and created another mini album for our group challenge, and this time I used Our Baby by Echo Park. I'm considering this more of a baby girl paper pack, so if there's any pink in it, I would consider it to be for a baby girl. So absolutely love this. We have a cardstock sticker sheet, 4x6s, 2x2s, and I used one entire pack to make this entire book, for the exception of one sheet out of a brand new pack, as well as 7 other stickers. I had an incredibly fun time putting this together for the YBM Community Challenge that our member Beth put on for us this time. I came back and did a different front cover here. I mean, look at this. I kind of went for it. I made additional risers for my front and back covers, and I created a cute little dangle. And I did a 2 ribbon closure because I was trying to get a little bit more custom and unique for this particular one. This is actually a cute little opening feature, magnetic little closure in the front, and I've got a cute little cut apart that I did up here with some dimensional foam tape, and then a nice little picture spot for the baby. I just love this. I cut this out of one of the cut aparts, and this was from the sticker sheet, this little scallop, little pattern there. And then I stuck that there, and of course this is open so you can slip a picture. Just love that heart stamp from Hobby Lobby. This is just some super simple 1-inch satin ribbon from Hobby Lobby, also in teal. And this was one of the additional stickers that I put on. I was able to complete this entire book with one paper pack. The only reason I needed one more sheet was because I did this additional pieces of chipboard wrapped in design paper. Now this was super fun, totally inspired by Megan, my friend and student. She came back and made her own chipboard elements hanging on. So thank you, Megan, for that inspo. Some little stickers here, front and back. And I just had a blast with this. Look at these cute little, I just love the way it sounds. And a nice big piece right here on the back, a nice cohesive look. And if you notice this pattern going along here, you guys know I'm a simple crafter, but I came back with my ruler and my little scoring tool and kind of made these little embossed imprints here all along my entire 4x6 piece right here on the front cover. I stuck this on some dimensional foam tape, and this was a nice big round cut apart, and so I cut around it and thought it would be cute to stick it there. You could put the baby's feet here, or even just their name, or even leave it blank. It's so adorable like that. These cute little hearts right here are actually brads that I punched into this chipboard piece. I stuck some stickers underneath there, and I had these little brads in my stash. I thought that would add a cute little touch, a little bit of shine, and change up the texture there. I really just had so much fun with this one, and I cannot wait to show you the inside. It turned out super cute. And of course, I'll leave the entire tutorial linked down in the description if you were interested in taking this class for yourself. And join in on the next challenge. All the details are below. So right off the bat, on the front and side cover, I decided to make this cute little insert slide out. I created my own little tab right here. This time I used brown textured paper. This is kind of a neutral colored paper pack, but again, like I said, if there's any hint of pink in there, I would have to say Echo Park. This is a baby girl paper pack. Super adorable. You could put any baby pictures in here. I just love it. I popped up my own little banner and different little elements right here from the paper collection. I just had so much fun with this hemp cord as well. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Just went around with my journaling pen. As you know, I can't help myself. And I did the same thing here. I just popped up one of those hearts. You know me, I love banners. I'm just obsessed. I just continued adding stickers throughout this entire book. A nice 4x6 picture here. This specific album is focused 100% on all standard photo sizes, 5x7, 4x6, and wallet sizes. So again, a nice vertical spot here. Look how cute this little guy is. And a little shooting star. And then I've got tiny toes. Cute little ribbon pull tab. And then a nice magnetic closure right here for the flap. I did use We Are Memory Keeper's scallop corner punch for that. And then some elements inside. Super inspired by Megan. I did go around with my journaling pen, and I used the cardstock as my mat. Super cute little stickers there on this little faux Polaroid. And then I added some journaling lines right here on the back. I did come back and use my We Are Memory Keeper's envelope punch board to create this notch, so that's just an addition. The tutorial goes through all the base construction and all the way through decorating and everything like that. So in my tutorials, I go from start to finish. So I decorate with you. I have measurements coming up on the screen. Look at this cute little cluster. I got that hemp cord going, and I stuck a couple little heart stickers there. And of course, you can use any paper it is that you want. Look what I did here. Super fun. And you can add any little different corner punches, different elements, anything you want, and make it your own. This was a blast. Everyone's been posting their books, finishing up, and I'm on the last day of this post. Look how cute I popped all that up. Super inspired by Megan. Thank you again so much, Megan. That was just so much fun looking through your book. Oh my goodness. Okay, little one right there. Super simple sticker. Some horizontal photo spaces there. A nice wallet-sized picture can go here and on the back. And then I stuck a couple more stickers right here. Look how fun. Nice 3x5 photo spot. Turn the page and you got some more cute little stickers and a picture space on the back. Again, I added these cute little ribbon pulls, about 3/8 of an inch satin white ribbon right there. I thought it contrasted well. And then we have a ton of more things in here. I just stuck a couple stickers down here, and again, got that notch going. This paper was so neutral and pretty to work with. I enjoyed every minute of it. I just stuck some simple stickers on the back of these. And you can even add more in here than I have. Super fun. I want to get a close-up on this cute little cluster here. I did a lot of different little twine, little additions there, and fussy cut different pieces from the cut aparts pages and pop things up. I had an absolute blast, oh my goodness. Also, there's a coupon down below. If you've never taken a class with me before, you gain instant access to every single class I've ever created in my entire career. And right now, that's like 83 plus. I've also got podcasts, and you get access to the community to share with us. It's just so much fun. Look at this. You can stick a photo right underneath there. I left this little banner. I just fussy cut all these separately, hung it on a piece of cord. I did some individual little bows right there and just decided to make cute little different banner shapes. I'll leave the video down below of the other version using Easter paper by Echo Park. That's like the official tutorial book. But again, during class, you can use any paper it is that you want. Look at this cluster. Oh my gosh. I mean, is that fun or what? And if you were interested in owning this baby book for yourself, just go ahead and email me. I'll leave my email down there. If you want this one, I already have a book for my son. So if you wanted this one for yourself, email me and let me know, and I'll save it for you. Look at this cute little popped up sticker. Again, we got some fun stuff in here inspired by Megan, but this time I decided to actually attach it to my mat instead. And I got a cute little cut apart back here with some white cardstock. And again, I went around with my journaling pen. And I just punched a simple little 1/8 hole, and these kind of just dangle around. Love this string. I'm obsessed with it. Look at this one. I mean, how simple. This is something you can do if you've never made an album before. This is one that you can do. 100%. You can do absolutely anything you set your mind to. Look how cute this is. I just kind of attached it. And if you've seen the other book, you'll know that this is a cute little peekaboo window. Look how cute. You see a little face in there? How sweet. Baby right here. So that came out of the cut aparts, and I just individually cut just each letter right there. Cute little beanie and a cute little outfit right there. And then again, on the back and side cover, there's another wonderful insert right here, ready for your wallet size pictures and your 4x6. Adorable. I just love it. This paper made it so easy and so much fun to just use, and I just loved it, every minute of it. Look at this little cluster. How much fun is that? What a cute little saying right there. Got the cute little arrow. I layered up stickers, popped things up with dimensional foam tape, and stuck a few characters down here. I just want to thank you everyone so much for participating in that wonderful challenge. Thank you so much, Beth. And thanks again, everyone. I'll leave the link to the tutorial and all the info. And if you wanted this book for yourself, let me know. Much love to everyone, and big hugs to all the participants. You guys have incredible books made, and I can't wait for the next one. See you next time. Bye.